I want to share with you today this delightful project that's been designed for Macawa by Lynn Goldsworthy, one of my favourite quilt designers, and it's using their Fern Garden range of fabrics. It is a delightful set of table mats and a table runner. It is a free download, so you can get all the instructions, which are beautifully written. But I'm just going to guide you through a couple of things that I think you should think about and that I think will help your process of making this little summer project. You can audition them to be in their final locations at this point if you like, and I would suggest it because sometimes you end up with identical fabrics together. So just make sure that you're happy with the way they look. They are identical, doesn't matter which way up they go. Nice big stitch with the walking foot through the back and then bound them just like a mini quilt project. If you didn't want to do all this quilting, I think it would look equally lovely to echo quilt around here